Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this kitchen sink playset. I absolutely love it, guys. I got it for my little nephew. He really loves playing around with it. I love the water recyclable feature that it has, guys. All you do is just place the water inside the tub. You can just open it up like this, place the water inside, and then it will start recycling the water so you don't waste any water. I really like that it comes with a bunch of little toys as well, guys. As you can see, we have like a bunch of fruits, we have vegetables, we have little foods like this little crab here. It comes with a little cup. It also comes with a little bowl, and then we have the plates here. We also have the little liquid soap as well. And over here we have the little utensils. So we have a spoon, we have a fork, we also have a spatula, and it also comes with the little legs in the bottom, guys. I know that a lot of playsets don't come with them, but this one does. But yeah, guys, this is how it looks. It's super cute. I love the feature with the recycling water because you're not wasting water at all. My little niece and my little nephew absolutely love it, and I would definitely recommend it.